this is Lori, and this is my first unboxing of my Norwex products. I've had many parties before in the past, but I wanted to show you what is in the boxes. So let's take a look. So I'm going to cut, and a little bitty scissors, right? Where are big scissors when you need them? We're doing this unboxing with some really good Norwex tape. Goodness gracious. I'll get it. Wait a minute. And we'll get this side over here. All right. You can tell they seal it well. So let's see what's inside. So we have our packing label, and this shows what's all we're supposed to receive in our box. This tells about how to care for your products. Got a couple of catalogs in here to share with my friends who may want to be purchasing some of these products. We have a microfiber environmental cloth. This is something that I use every day to wipe down my countertops. It kills 99% of the bacteria. And you just rinse it out, use it again, hang it up to dry. So there's this. This is descaler. This is for our bathroom cleaner, and got one of those. These are environmental sponges. My new favorite friend. It is this on this side and this little scrubby thing on the other side. Wonderful, wonderful product. Love it, love it, love it. So we got that. Look at that. So this hangs up in the bathroom, and you dry your hands on it, and it has the silver that's inside of it that kills the bacteria, and so that you don't have bacteria hanging down. Got a couple of them. All right. This is my friend. This is what I use when I do laundry and I have some super things that I need to clean, and I soak them in that first, and they come out great. This is, I use a lot. I have lots of stains and boo-boos. Oh, some sacks for my party post people. Got a couple of vegetable cleaners, and this is that rough material that you saw on the back of the environmental sponges, but these are wonderful cleaners to clean your vegetables with and scrub them clean. Received a couple of those, ordered a couple of those. Oh my goodness, okay, so these are washcloths. Wonderful, wonderful, soft, so soft washcloths. I'm gonna leave them in the package right now because these belong to some other folks. And this is a window cloth, and that is what you wash things off with this, shine it down with your window cloth. All you need is water, a scrub. Oh my goodness. So this is something that my daughter wanted because it has that texture feeling on this side and the soft of the towel on this side. And you just put your hand in this mitt and no soap needed, and you do it and scrub your body and descale yourself. It's very great product. This is something Alan loves. It is a backwasher, and you just do this soft side and the rough side, and it is wonderful. All you gotta do, hang it up to dry. It's self-cleaning. It has the silver inside of it. Another window cloth. Another window cloth. Let's see what this is. These are environmental sponges. So Alan uses these to clean his grill with outside, and they don't scratch, and they're wonderful products, and he loves them. I love that he loves my Norwex. This is an Optus scarf. Okay, this is one of Alan's other favorite things that he likes. So he wears glasses, and he keeps this by his sink, and it cleans his glasses with. But it has a really cool carabiner, and you can hook it on your purse or whatever thing you hook it on, but he chooses to hang it on his mirror. I'll get a couple, several more Optus scarves. This goes towards your cleaner. Then I ordered, this is a hostess special for this order being $550 or more, and with one booking. And so I got all of this for free because I met that deal. So let's see what's inside the Hostess Special. Oh, this is a cute window cloth and tells how to use it. But it has bees. Isn't that cute? And that's the new window cloth. And it comes with a kitchen towel. Go over here. A net scrub. You can get this up and use it as a scrub to scrub your dishes with if you hand wash your dishes. Another environmental cloth, only it matches the color scheme. How fun, how fun. All this for free. This, oh my goodness, I use so much of this. This is, and I say so much, but it takes just a little bit of soap and it goes a long way. I use this, so this little package right here will do 50 loads of laundry. I have a huge, big washing machine, and so I do a lot of washing. But wonderful product, keeps your clothes clean. And then it came with some dishwashing liquid. So household, all for free, just because I had a party size of $550. Put that box down and let's see what's in this box. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so in this box, we have some more kitchen towels, nice pretty yellow ones. Several of those. More clothes washing soap. And so the king fitted sheet, I'm going to show you these. Because the king fitted sheet, I have a set on my bed. So they're microfiber sheets, and they are so soft, and they're wrinkle resistant, and they fight off bacteria. So I have the king fitted, I have the king flat, and some more pamphlets on what's in there. So if you are interested in knowing more about Norwex and the products and how to have a green environment, and would like to have a catalog, please contact me. I'll send you a catalog. We can discuss just ordering for you or hosting a party and getting free party gifts. So anyway, have a great day. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.